So complex parameterization. So like we can select from the value and replace with parameter and create new parameter and give the parameter name. Which value we are doing? Username. You can give from the username. And same way we can select from the parameter type. So which type that one we need to select that one. And we can give from the properties and click on create table and click on OK. And for here you can by name is so which value you did we need to select from the by name. Like this is the indicating from the column 1 or 2 we want means we can select. Otherwise by name you want means we can which value we are done we can select. And after that this property will be same from the everywhere. Like based on from the your requirement sequential or unique or random or each iteration or occurrence once we can select. Okay. And after that we can close this and click on OK. And no. And the next value what? This user password. Replace parameter and create parameter. Now wording from the password. You can give from the password and click on properties. So because this is the file type only. Click on properties and don't click from the create table when you are doing from the complex parameterization. So what we can do means what is the our parent one username is our parent. So here you need to select from the parent one username dot file you need to select and click on the add column. So which column we are adding? Password you are adding. Click on OK. So it will be like this we need to add like username and password. So and after that by name. So which value we are doing parameterization? Which value?
Password.
Password. So we need to select from the password. Here we need to select from the like we have the some other property will be there. Same line as other parameter. Like you like password is depends on the whom. Password, first name, last name. Yes, all everyone is depending on the username. So that is why what we are indicating means same line as username we can give. Then what will happen means is what is the depend value will be there. Like username first row first value is there. Second same row will be pick. Like Jojo Bean it will pick. Like it's a 1-to-1 mapping. So that is why you need to select from the same line as username. Like what is the same value will be there in that line. So that line password is will be pick. So after that click on OK and click on OK and no. So and after that what are the values will be there and here we don't have from the click on flight that is just click only. We don't have any values. For reservation you can observe we have the values will be there. Date and time will be there. So date and time we can do from the individually. No need to do from the complex. Just you can do from the replace with parameter and create parameter. And what is that? Depart date. Depart date. And click on properties. This is the which type?
Time and date.
Time and date and time. Okay. And click on properties. So your will be what is the format this month, day and year. Month, date and year. So we need to select that format here. So if you have, you can select that one. If you don't have, we need to edit also we can do. See, this is the exactly as per that. See, you can observe month, date, year. Okay, you can observe if you give an capital Y, it is a 2024 is came. If you give from the small y, only 24 is come. Means depends on the format. Maybe above format will be there in our application. You need to give from the small y. So, but our format will be 2022 like that will be there, right? You can give from the capital Y 2024. And already we know that like you want from the future date, past date means we can select this. You want from the current date means no need to select from the anything. Otherwise you want from the by like you are booking departure date, like you are when you are depart. So you want to depart from the after this is the 2 days. You can give from the 2 days. And here we can select from the each iteration wise I selected and click on close and click on OK. Always no. And as into the we have the this is also will be there. Okay, you have doubt why you are not doing from the London as a parameterization. That is the departure one London. That is the we are selecting or we are what we are doing. We are selecting from the application. We are not entering ourselves. We are not entering. So that is why we are not do from the departure and derive. We are not do the parameterization. And again, we have the one more thing, return date. So return date also you can do from the this way, replace parameter, create new parameter, and date and time, and click on properties, and we need to select from the format. So application which format will be there, we can select that. Again, same format, month, date, year. So you can select. So if you don't have also, we can edit also possible. See, up to month date is there. You want from the year also means we can give from the percentage and give from the capital Y. So you can observe. So as per our format, it is same. But you want from the like future date because 26 plus to 28 you are booking. Return date to after 4 days you are booking. Current date plus 4 means 30 is your return date. So and click from the each iteration. Okay, and click. So I think I'm
Sir,
not.
it's a month and date, na sir.
Sorry. Oh, 1 minute.
You format you changed it.
Yeah, it will change it. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Click on OK. And no. So next. Okay. Come to the here. We don't have any other values above request. The reservation also. So here this is the flight number. So if you want to from the parameterization means we can do from the like this date we can do from the in the flight. Okay. Same way we can do. Okay. You can continue that. And here you can observe first name, last name, like billing details, address 1, address 2, passenger 1, credit card details, expire date, number of passengers. So this all will be we are entering through keyboard. So that is why what we can do, we need to do the parameterization. So now we are doing from the complex parameterization. First name, last name, address 1, address 2, this passenger on credit card. It is depends on the whom. Depends on the whom? Password or username?
Username.
Username, right? Because so as a user, we are there. If your user will be there only, the user having from the first name, last name, maybe the user have the address 1, address details, and credit card details will be there. So means these values also depends on the who means as a parent is the username. So complex parameterization we can continue. So click on this and replace with parameter and create new parameter and give from the first name, F name, and properties. Don't click from the creatable. Last time we are clicking from the creatable, right? Now we need to select from the parent one. What is our parent? Username dot file is our parent. Select that and add column. See which column we are adding? First name column. And here we need to select from the first name. Okay. And here we need to select from the dependent value. What is the dependent value? Parent is a username param. You need to select this. So here no need to select from the this one sequential, random, no need. Because why we are doing from this same line as other parameter means, so like for example, username is the first line will be there. So when you are given from the indicating from the same line as username, what is the same line as username will be there? All values like it will pick same line as the username, password, first name, last name. It will pick from the one by one, same line it will pick. Okay, and close this and click on OK and no. Same way we can do from the this last name also. Okay, properties and select from the which one we need to select?
User
Name dot file we need to select. And after that, click for the add column. Don't click from the edit with notepad. Click from the add column. Which column we are adding? Last name column you are adding. See, it is there. And after that, we need to select from the which one? Last name. And here we need to select from the parent one, same line as username. Click on OK and always no. So like that, we need to add from the address one, address two, passenger one, credit card also we need to add. So, and one more thing, like now you are done the complex parameterization, go to the parameters and you can see. So select from the username because it's a parent one. So select from the this edit with notepad and we are added username, password, first name, last name. So now what you can do, you need to enter more data means you need to enter from the data. Okay. So we can copy like you have the data, you need to add from the like this. Okay. Okay. So means we need to add from the how much data we want, we need to add with the comma delimiter. So how this comma is came means here we have the option will be there, comma and tab we have there. So based on from the which is our comfort, we need to select from that. You can save this and we can add from the like this. Okay. If you want more data also we can add like you can give from the Kiran and password some Kiran 123 and first name Sri and last name Ram. Okay, so we can give from the data like this and save this. So we need to do from the complex parameterization like this. And if you execute first iteration, what will happen? These all values will pick. Jojo, your password is picked from the password, and first name will be picked from the Jojo, and last name is pick the Bean. And first iteration time it will pick like this, same line. And the second line it will pick from the second iteration, third iteration. So based on from the when which one property was selected, based on that it will select it. Okay, so like this we can do from the complex parameterization. For example, I given from the here Jojo, Bean and Kiran 123 I given. Okay, so you can understand maybe Kiran 123 it is already username will be there, only we are able to your script will be pass. Yes or no? See, for example, we'll check from the application also. Okay, yeah, already is there. Okay, so I given from the Kiran and Kiran 123. Okay, this one is already registered. That is fine. What we can do is we'll change 1 to 5. Okay, now we can see that Sign up. Error. 1 to 5. See, you can observe web tour error, incorrect username password. So what will happen? Here you are giving from the any invalid data. It is not a registered user. So your script will be failed from the like this. Okay, username password is wrong. So that is why here data is very important for us. You need to give from the valid data, registered data. Already username password will be there. That data only we need to provide. So that is point of view. This test data already someone previous already executed. Take that data. But that is the first thing. Second thing, okay, maybe someone also not done yourself. You are doing from the performance testing. Okay, then you have that database everyone will be know like db. We have the db will be there. Right from the query, select star from the some table, and I want from the username and password. So you will get from the username password details. You can copy and paste it from the here, because that is the data is there in the db means okay, username password will be already registered users. Maybe database also there is no data. Then how to you can give? Say like you yourself you are giving from the next Kiran 1 to 9, Kiran or some Raja, some Shravani. You are giving from the your names differently. If you execute, what will happen? Your script will be fail. Why? Because the username password is not there as a registered user. So that is why what we can do means ourself also we can record the our application. Okay. So how to we can do means you can observe we have the sign up now is there. Sign up now means we are creating from the user. Click on sign up now and give the username and passwords. So what data you want you can give from the that data. Okay. Nandu is the username I given and password Nandu 321 and same password it is asking Nandu 321 and first word name Nan, last name Sriram. Okay, address one something okay, Hyderabad, and click on continue. So just we are giving from the our details. Why? Because so Nandu is not a registered user. Now I want to this one registered users. Nandu 1 2 3 3 to 1 I given. See, thank you Nandu for registering. Welcome to the web tour application family. So click on continue. See, your login is successfully. You can sign up, and now you can try with the what is the name you are given Nandu and password I given from the Nandu 321. See, we are able to log into the application. Just now I created this user and I used it for this. So what is the valid data you are created? That data you can keep from the next line. Okay. Now I created from the Nandu and Nandu 321 and comma Nan comma Sriram. So means you need to give from the like this valid data we need to give. So now you are given from the 1 2 3 4 5. So this data will be there, not there. So don't give from the invalid data. So very important from the data point of view. Okay, one user yourself you are prepared from the using from the sign up now. But I want from the 1,000 users create. So 1,000 users you can do from the same way manually. You can enter from the username password, again create, again create, again create. You can do that.
No.
No. Then how to we can create? Because test data itself, it will be 10 days, it will happen. If you want to create from the 1,000 users from the manually. Then what we can do? So what we can do means ourselves, we need to do from the scripting. How you are recording from the web tour application, page tour application, right? Same way you can record. Launch the application, okay? And after that, these steps we need to do from the when you are recording. And after that, click on sign up now and enter from the details and click on continue and log out. This is the steps. So after that, our script will be recorded. Okay. I think we have script will be there. I will open. Okay. Now we can see. So this is the test data web tour application only. So first what I did, launch the URL. See, up to that launch there. After that, like sign up now we need to give, not login. We can name it as a sign up now button. You need to click. And after that, close the sign up now. And after that, we need to give the details of the user details, username, password confirm, first name, last name. So you can observe what details we are there given here. You can observe what details we are given. It will be recorded as our script, address 1, address 2, and all details it is recorded. So what I did, this all details, I did the parameterization because I enter manually. So I did from the parameterization, complex parameterization, and after that sign in and sign off. Nothing but is logout. So if you open from the parameters, so I given from the this data username param, you can go from the first dependent value is this one. So this Akbar and Akbar one, when I after recorded, this data is not available, but using from the our script I recorded. For example, we can see one username. Okay, I will take from the Krishna one and Krishna 132. So first we'll check from the manually. This user will be there, not there, we'll check. Okay. See, incorrect username or password. Means this user not there. Now what we can do means we can execute from the one time and we are able to create the data or not using our script we can see. And I'm executing from this like we can give from the only one user we are creating. You can give from the one time only. Okay. And click on close and execute. See, your script will pass. Now you done the created. Now you can go to the application through script. This user is done or not. Now we can see it is created. So means we need to give the multiple data in the parameters and this data we need to use from the here. Got it? So how to we can give this means you can open from the Excel. Okay. In the Excel, you can give from the username, param, password, how it is there here, you can give. Otherwise, you can give from the, like your name you can give, like Shravani, and password you can give from the Shravani12. And after that username, like first name, last name, what you can give, that is will be fine. Okay, but this should be, don't give from the same from the every time, because already one, see, I created now, right? Again, you can execute it. This user already is created, you will get message. So that is why you need to give from the next time Shravani 2, and password is a different. Password same also it is fine, but username will be, you need to give from the different. So like this, how much data you want, you need to put from the Excel, and what is data you are there, right? That data you need to copy from the here. So 1 minute, I will show you. Test data. Some test data is there. So we'll see. Okay, so now I will explain the process. Like now you are giving from the, okay, for example, my name, I will show you. Button, it is sign in, it is asking. So you need to provide the data like username, first name, last name, and what is the data you want, you need to give that data, and you need to save with the comma delimiter. And after that, so we can open the, see, no, I think sign in is done. Currently read only. Okay, some issue in my this one. Any other data? Yeah. See, now you can observe. So I created like this data, Jojo1 and Jojo2, Bean1, Bean2, and address1, address this data. So because this data is not registered one, I created, and after that, when you are saving from the Excel, right, save with the comma delimiter, and you need to open with the, we can open from the this Excel also, edit with edit, we can click, it will open from the notepad. Okay, otherwise if you want to open also, we can open from the notepad. See, we can open notepad, and because why I am telling means, this will be, we can take and copy and paste it, is very easy in our script. Just you can take this data and Control C and go to our test data script, and again edit with notepad, and remove from this all data, and you can give from the, what is the data we want, you can give, like you can give from the like this, and you can save. So very simple, like ourself manually entering from the here comma Jojo 41 and Bean 41 comma again, you need to enter from the multiple data, means it is a very difficult, right? So that is why ourself we can create from the Excel, and that data you need to copy and paste it from the here. It's a very simple. Got it? Okay, so we can do from the, this is the way you can do from that. And now one more thing, now you are created this data. Okay, for example, now you are created this data, so this all data is the valid data. Okay, then this data we need to copy this, and now what is the our script is a web tool script. Go to the web2 script. Here, I think we need to open already. Yeah. So here what I can do means I will close this data because I have the now valid data. So you need to give this data and save, and you can utilize from the this data from the your execution. Okay. Username, password, last name, and we are given from the address 1, address 2 also. Okay. So we can do from the, this is the way we can do from the this. Got it? So means we need to give from the valid data from the every time. That is why, first of all, if you don't have data, we need to create data, valid data. That data we need to put in the our script. So this is the rare cases. Already you have the existing scripts. Existing means already scripts will be there and data also will be there. Otherwise, we can take the data from the database. Database is not there. Ourselves we can prepare. That data we can use from the our actual script. Everyone able to understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Got it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So thank you. So, okay. I think you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Don't. Okay. No worry. You can ask any doubts. You can ask me because I will give from the same assignment to the today. Because maximum we are finished the parameterization concept. So maybe tomorrow and after tomorrow we don't have from the class. I will give from the work assignments, and Monday will be we have the interview assigned to the system test. Okay. And today assignment, what is the today assignment means? You should be prepare the first of all test data. That data you need to use from the actual script as a web tour. Okay, first of all, you need to try with the web tour. After this is the good, then you can try with the different application also. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we can good to close, or anyone have any doubt? Yeah. Thank you for joining, and we'll catch from tomorrow, and we'll continue our classes Monday. Okay, meanwhile, you guys can prepare well, ask them to the practice well. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me anytime. If you message or call me, okay, don't worry. Thank you for everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you. Yeah, bye.
Thanks.